Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2016 Toyota 4Runner Limited. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, step rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. 20-inch alloy wheels, mud and snow tires, fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 40,192 miles. A hidden rear wiper, the power rear window, the tow package, LED brake lights, a spacious cargo area with a sliding cargo tray, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather bucket seating with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push button start, a locking glove box, a garage door opener, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.